So this is going to be assignment number 19, and the holes are right here. So I usually put the 19 right here as if it was going into the notebook.
19?
And then yesterday was 18. Actually, this is like 18, 19 because we didn't really have an 18.
I thought we were at 16.
No, ma'am. All right, for sure. And then put your name on that. All right, so the adding and subtracting can be done here. And again, like I said, this is really good because you should be fluent now. You should be fluent in adding and subtracting. That's what the test is going to be tomorrow. And then on these, the 11 through 13 you can do here. Oops, am I recording? Yes, I am. Is the 11 through 13 you can do here. The 14 through 20 is on paper. So don't say I didn't say so. In fact, let me get a sheet of paper because the ones, oh, something is wrong here. There's something missing. And I don't know what it is. I'm going to have to see. Okay, 2/5 of the caps. Yeah, there's a number missing. So I'll have to come back to that and let you know. And I'll have to just write it in an email when I send this assignment. All right. Then on this side, so I can't even go over that problem because I don't know what it, well, yes, I can. Let me pull this up real fast because I want to make sure that I can't even get out of my screen because I'm recording. So I can't do it. All right, so flip it on this side. You're going to do the both sides. So again, it is, you will need to do all of these on the line sheet of paper. And these are going to be mixed up. It's going to be adding or subtracting. Let me see. So you've got a map, and it's very easy. How far did the troop hike that day? They went from Bear Bridge to Lotus Lake. Then they went to Lookout Point. Then to Eagle Station. And then they went back all the way to Bear Bridge. What do you have to do with all those numbers? Add them. You find the total. So just follow what it says. How much further is it from one place to the other? When you're saying how much further, what do you usually have to do? Subtract. So this is going to be probably a subtraction. What is the total weight of the tents? So make sure that you're reading. There's 12 tents and 20 sleeping bag. Each tent weighed 5 3/4 pounds. What's the total weight of the tents? What don't I need? I don't need the sleeping bags. Okay, so let me see. If she left at 9 a.m., what time did she get back? I don't know. So they hiked 1.5 hours. They spent 3 hours there. Then, oh, this is just what? Doing what? It's adding and then adding it onto your beginning time. So it's adding the hours and then adding it on to the beginning time. And then make sure that you know that at 12 noon, then the next time is going to be 1. And then, let's see. I think this is self-explanatory. Alrighty, so here's one. This is the last one that I'll go over until I find out what that other one is. It says, how many of the hikers did not camp? So 180 people hiked on the trails near Lotus Lake. Of these, 1/3 camped overnight. How can I find out how many camped overnight? And I'm going to write it a different way. 1/3 of the 180 stayed overnight. Okay, overnight. It's multiplication. It's going to be multiplication. However, my answer is not going to be this. I want to see how many did not stay overnight. Then you're going to have to subtract. Or you could do, these are the ones that did stay overnight. What fraction did not stay overnight? If 1/3 did stay overnight, how many thirds did not?
So 180 divided by 2/3.
2/3. So 3/3 is the whole thing. 1/3 did stay, so therefore 2/3 did not. You could also go 2/3 of the 180, and that'll give you the ones that did not stay. Okay, so that is it. Again, I'm going to have to put in an email what the missing number is on this. In class, we'll go over it in just a minute as soon as I can stop this video.